Just bought your Tesla Model Y, then you might need more USBs and maybe even a light for the center console. This power hub from Jowa is probably one of my favorites and adds a lot more functionality. Let's go ahead and install it and show you where it actually goes, and of course do an unboxing and then install it. And so this is the USB hub. It's by Jowa, and this is really for if you need more USB connections. You got regular USB, 2 USB-Cs, one of them which is 100 watt, which is really nice. You got a light right here if you turn on this button, and another cable for USB if you need to charge things. So you can see how this is powered. This takes up a cigarette lighter, and it takes up a cigarette lighter in the bottom. So you can see how easily and how nice this installs, like OEM, almost OEM-like-ish. You can see once we slide it in, it goes like that. It actually uses like the factory rails, which is really nice. And then this is a retractable USB as well. So you can take it out really quickly, pull it out, and then put it back in when you need to hide it away for organization. Now for the install, you just take this cigarette lighter. There's one actually hidden all the way at the bottom down here. And you can see we can try and plug it in just like that. And now we get an extra light, we get more USB power, and still not taking a ton of area when you're looking to install this in your center console area. And check this out. This is probably my favorite part of this. When you close this and this, it almost looks like this is OEM, like it should have came from the factory like this from Tesla. So it's really nice to be able to add this like extra functionality while keeping the look without it being too extra and added area all over the place. But definitely check it out. Link down below in the description. Use our promo code if you want to save some money and get free shipping as well.